Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 2, The Appearance of the Buddha. That light was called Treasury of the Light of Knowledge of all enlightening beings illumining the 10 directions. Its form was like a cloud of lamps with jewel-like light. It shone throughout all Buddha fields in the 10 directions, revealing all the lands and beings therein. It also caused all networks of worlds to tremble. In every single atom it revealed innumerable Buddhas showering the teachings of all the Buddhas of all times, in accord with the differences in character and inclination of the various sentient beings. It clearly showed the Buddha's ocean of transcendent ways, and also rained infinite clouds of various emancipations, causing the sentient beings to forever cross over birth and death. It also showered clouds of the great vows of the Buddhas, and clearly showed in all worlds in the 10 directions the universally good enlightening beings' congregations at the sites of enlightenment. Having done all this, the light swirled around the Buddha, circling to the right, then went in under his feet. Then an immense lotus blossom suddenly appeared before the Buddha. That lotus had 10 kinds of adornments, unmatched by any other lotuses. That is to say, its stem was a mixture of various gems, its bud was of diamond, its petals were all the jewels in the universe, its pistils were of fragrant gems. Rose gold adorned its base, exquisite nets covered it above. Its radiant color was pure. It instantaneously displayed the boundless miracles of the Buddhas. It could produce all kinds of sounds. Its diamonds reflected the body of Buddha. In its sounds it could expound all the practical undertakings cultivated by enlightening beings. When this flower had sprung up, in an instant there was, in the curl of white hair on the Buddha's brow, a great enlightening being named Supreme Sound of All Truths, together with a group of enlightening beings, as numerous as atoms in an ocean of worlds. They all came forth together and circled the Buddha to the right innumerable times. Then, having bowed to the Buddha, Supreme Sound of All Truths sat on the flower dais, while the other enlightening beings sat on the pistils.